Welcome to Kotlin programming tutorial. Today I will describe about Kotlin Constructor. Constructor is a concise way to initialize the class property. It is a special member function that called when object and initiated created. However, they work in Kotlin slightly different. Kotlin there are two constructor. One is primary constructor, concise way to initialize a class. Secondary constructor allow you to put additional initializing logic. So now I will show the example of primary constructor. At first we need to define the class. Suppose class is the person variable first name string bar age integer. So now we will create the object of person class. Well, person1 person joy is 25 is 25. Now we will print first name person1 dot first name is now we will run our project for see the output. So for first name Joy and age 25. When object person object is created and Joy and 25 value are passed as if the person function the initialize first name and age property initialize person and age property object to the Joy and 25 respectively. So this is the constructor. This is the class constructor. There are two constructor. Parameter is first name and last name. Primary constructor and initializer block. The primary constructor has a constant syntax and cannot contain any code. The put initialize code, not only code initial property. Initializer block is used. It prefix with init keyword. Suppose this is the bell first name is string and bell you can set the first app name first name and age we send the name. Suppose this is the first name app name and person is bell first name is string and bell is integer, integer, and this initializer block, initialize block, suppose init, the keyword of initializer block, first name equal to f name dot capitalize and age equal to percentage. So this is initialize block of the person class. Initial block the set the value of first name from get the constructor of person. This is the first name set and it dot capitalize, and this is the age variable, and set the person age to the age variable. Now we can print the first name this is the age this is our person class, and this is the initialize block of person class. So this is the person class and person class object. We pass the value by constructor, first name and age. Now we run the project for see the output of person class initializer value. Here is the showing first name Joey and age is 25. Here is the constructor. When this object created, that time automatically called the init block. Thank you so much.